Hello everyone, I am Ramsha and I'm back with another poem called Once I Saw a Little Bird. Have you ever seen a little bird? What comes to your mind when you see a little bird? And what do you see in this picture? Well, I can see a boy. There is a boy in this picture, and I can see that this boy is standing near the window. So the boy is standing near the window. What else you can see in this picture? Well, I can see a little bird in this picture. There is a little bird, and I can see that this little bird is trying to fly away outside the window. The bird is flying outside the window. And I can see that the boy is trying to catch the bird, or maybe the boy is trying to say hello to the little bird. What do you think? The boy is trying to catch the bird, or he is trying to say hello to the little bird? Well, I am a bit confused. Let's know by reading the poem once. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Oh, so the boy was trying to stop the little bird and he wants to say, how do you do? But the little bird shook his little tail and away he flew. Just like the boy in the poem, have you ever tried talking to birds? Share this poem with your family and friends and ask them the same question. Have they ever tried talking to birds? And see what they say. Till then, bye bye. I will be back with another poem or story. Till then, bye bye.